Attorney Harold, are you not worried that should the COMELEC not adopt any of your recommendations, hindi nila baguhin yung rules to state that walang internet connection during the voting process, are you not worried that this would cast doubt in the credibility of the elections for the 2025?
Attorney Karen, there is doubt now. And there will be greater doubt then, Attorney Karen. Ang pinag-uusapan natin ito is mataas ba ang tiwala ko sa eleksyon. Hindi ko sinasabi na mayroong mangyayaring madaya or nadaya yung mga eleksyon. Ang sinasabi ko lang is kapag binigyan mo ako ng result, mataas ba ang tiwala ko dyan? Ang sagot ay mababa ang tiwala ko as of now at magiging mababa pa rin ang tiwala ko in the future. Kaya COMELEC, Chairman George Garcia, sa video ko kahapon sinabi ko, Sir, kaysa mag-away tayo at kasuhan mo ako, wala namang sigurong masama kung magtulungan tayo. Dahil ang common denominator natin ay itaas ang integridad ng eleksyon ngayong 2025. Legacy mo to, sir! At legacy ni BBM.
Okay.